Pokemasters, Dungeon Owners, and my Cookie Kids. Today we are playing Pokemon Showdown with the random generator. This is a challenge which many people do. So, yeah. Okay, I had a recording before this one and it got ruined because of some people. So, yeah, I am doing it again. Okay. I had all legendaries except for one, Mega Metachan. But he's super good as well. Come on, 1, 2, 3, go. Let's see. Dragapult! Oh my god, I'm getting good stuff again. Dragapult. Okay. Huh? Oh. Dragapult looks like this. Why is it pixel over here? Maybe Pokemon Showdown things which I don't know about because I just started it about 4 weeks ago. Generate number 2. Ooh. Which should I choose? I'm first choosing Druddigan. I know that many people hate it. I already have one dragon type. Sorry Druddigan, I love you though. Many people hate Druddigan. I love it. Cormorant. Okay. Alright, I think that I'm gonna get all Gen 8. Oh no! I have to choose Wobbuffet. Or should I not? Yeah, Wobbuffet is the only fully evolved one there. Wobbuffet. Wobbuffet. What is Wobbuffet spelling? W-O. Wobbuffet. Yeah.
And it's not W-A-F, it's W-O-B.
Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, this is a good one. Avalugg. Which should I choose, Arya? Choose one. Archeops. Archeops is rock flying. Avalugg is just ice. Ferrothorn is steel, grass, and Driflimp is ghost type only, right? Maybe. And Beautifly is bug flying, which I don't want at all. So yeah, choose. Arya, choose.
I already did. Seems like you don't
Archeops.
Seems like you don't want it.
Yes, because there are many better ones in there.
Then choose whatever you want. Don't ask me.
Archeops. What is Archeops spelling? Oh my god, I'm bad at spelling.
Archeops.
Archeops, okay.
Archeops.
Archeops. It's illegal, sorry.
Why is it illegal?
It's Gen 8. Gen 8 does not have Archeops. Now choose.
You choose.
Why? I am so dumb. I could have done Galar this whole time. And I chose Ferrothorn. Yeah, Ferrothorn or Avalugg. I choose... Oh, what if I choose Drifblim? Drifblim. It's ghost flying type. Is this a water flying? Yeah, it's water flying. Okay, I'm not taking Drifblim. Then I'll take Ferrothorn. Ferrothorn is a good one. Ferrothorn. Okay, next. Toucannon or Greninja? I choose Greninja. Yeah, Greninja is many people's all-time favorite.
Mine?
Not mine as well.
Illegal.
It's illegal. Oh my god. Toucannon. Toucannon. Oh man. Toucannon. No, it's How? Huh? What the heck is happening? I did not even press that. Toe cannon. Okay. Na. Toe cannon. It's illegal. I am simply gonna respin. Cause my memory got lost. Toxapex or Abomasnow or Gothitral? I'd say Abomasnow. Abomasnow is super good. But I already have a grass type. Then I choose Toxapex. Toxapex. Nice. The last Pokemon on my team will be Bronzong or Alola Mola or Arbok. Choose one of these three. They all are good, but still they're pretty weak fully evolved ones, except for Bronzong and Alola Mola and Arbok. But the I choose Bronzong. No, but I already have a steel type. Oh, I do not have a fairy type, and Alola Mola is fairy, right? Alola Mola. No! 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 I do not have a fairy type on my team. Guys, this is gonna be hard. Bronzong. It's steel psychic. I do not have a psychic type. Maybe that's good. Maybe that's not. No. Okay, so what should I give it? Ooh. But it will not get contact much, right? Molten mint. Air balloon. Air balloon is good. Dark type, no. Chesterberry. Chipot, Chopelberry. La 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 la. Diamproc, blah 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 blah. Give me something good.
My time went from being my least favorite song on.
Seriously? Oh my god, what did I just do? Item. I'm gonna give a guava berry. Okay, you're gonna get choice scarf. You're gonna get choice band. You're gonna get focus sash. You're gonna get not merciful. Lollipop berry. Heavy duty boots. No. Leftovers. Leftovers is pretty good. To give it to my tank is better. Wiki berry. Salak berry. But Rocky helmet is better though. Yeah. Levitate. Okay. Yeah, levitate is better. It's such a good ability. Levitate is such a good ability. Cursed body for you Dragapult. Cursed body is super good. Gulp missile, okay. Wow, perfect. Wow, perfect. And prevent suggestion. Da 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 da. Dun dun da 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 dun dun da 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 dun dun da 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 da. Prevent suggestion froze from the. Yeah, shadow tag. Ferrothon. Iron bobs. Yeah, iron bobs is good. Toxapex. Merciless. Gives attack. If the attack crits, it poisons. Ooh, this is nice. Limber, it cannot get paralyzed. Gaining the ability while paralyzed cures it. No. Regenerator. Ooh, these two are super good, but I'm gonna take Merciless. What the heck is happening? Oh my god. Pokemon Showdown. You wanna show who's going down? it's probably gonna be me because I'm super bad at the game. But whatever. Am I right, guys? If I'm right, tell me that in the comment section below. If you think I'm wrong, hit that like button. So yeah, I am super selfish. Now everyone knows that now, and I feel bad. Okay, dragon types. I always use my dragon types. Draco Meteor. Draco Meteor is a super good move. Dragon Dance, Dragon Dance. It's almost time for Dragon Darts. Ooh, and a ghost move. Hits. Start Assailment, but how will I get that Start Assailment? Outrage is super good. I'm gonna remove one of my. You might say that I'm dumb. Well, I am. But yeah, whatever. I like my moves of Dragon. Dragon moves are so good. I don't know why I love them so much, but I do. Yeah. Sorry if I am dumb, cause I am. And yeah, Cormorant, what do you want? I'm gonna give it Swallow. Swallow. What does Swallow do? Heals the users based on. No. I thought that Swallow was disguise that thing. Main move. Ooh, Brave Bird. Brave Bird is good. Scald. Nice. Superpower is good. Who does not like? And Ice Beam. Okay. Yeah, I need to improve attack and special attack. Mm. Mm. If you think that I'm bad at EVs, hit that like button. If you think that I'm super bad at, if you think that I'm good at EVs and IVs, tell me that in the comment section below. Cause okay, yeah, I'm gonna give this guy Jolly, Bolcom, Adamant, Timid, Modest 2. These are nature's you must get for a winning crew. Competitive's a giant pain. EVs, IVs suck. Rap just play casually. Jolly, bold. What is bold? Jolly, Bolcom, Adamant, Timid, Modest 2. Jolly, Bolcom, calm. Calm, timid, modest. Two. Yeah, you get quirky. Tolly, Volcom, Adamant, timid, modest. Two. Oh my god. These are nature's young set for a winning crew. Competitors are giant pain. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is super bad. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wobbuffet is so bad for competitive. If you think that Wobbuffet is bad for competitive, hit that like button. Cause it is, yeah, it is. Ba. No. No. I'm giving it so much HP right now because I'm super scared. Ferrothorn. Oh, Ferrothorn. Explosion. It knows explosion. That's good. Power Whip. Poison Jab. Now I need a steel move. Flash cannon? Yeah, flash cannon. Okay, EVs. Da, 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 da. Oh no 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 no! What I'm doing? What am I doing? What I'm doing? I'm so dumb. What I'm doing? I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. What I'm doing? I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm okay. These are nature's young sketch for a winning crew. Competitors are giant pain. EVs I suck. Whatever I'm saying is a big fat lie. Do not hear me. Never hear me because I'm the worst person on earth. JK, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. Alright, alright. Explosion, I need explosion. And do I have a psychic move? Oh no, I don't. Expanding force. That's pretty much done. Alright. Validate. Okay. OU. No, not Ubers. I don't want OU. Shadow Tag is banned. No. Oh no no no. This is gonna be bad. My team is now valid. So yeah. Home. Janet. Unrated random I don't know OU. You mean? Okay. What should I name myself? I'm gonna name myself LOL Master Cheese Raj because I love cheese. LOL Master Cheese Raj. Oh yeah. Let's battle. What do you think? If am I gonna win or am I gonna lose? If you think that I'm gonna win, hit that like button. If you think I'm gonna lose, tell me that in the comment section below because I think that I'm gonna lose because this is a super hard game. Dragapult is the best option. I do not know any type matchups till I remember. Okay, I know a lot of type matchups. Yeah, this is why you should not get all your moves stab. Oh no no no! Take your move stab. This is good. Sticky web. Oh my god! No, dragon darts. Dragon darts. Dragon darts. It's almost time for dragon darts. Okay, yeah. Who's gonna come? Who's gonna? Oh my god! That's Tangrowth. Tangrowth is just grass, so I might be in the clear. But I may not. I do not know. I'm super bad at this game. Just kidding. I just forgot that this guy's ghost type. Toxapex, go! What the heck just happened? What the heck happened? Oh no! I am gonna use Gunk Shot. Gunk Shot, that's Snorlax. Okay. Gunk Shot, no Blizzard. I'm taking the risk by using Hydro Pump. He cursed himself. Why did you curse yourself? Miss! No! Oh my god, this is gonna be super hard. This is a super long video. Blizzard does not do that much damage. He's attacking me with resistant moves and it's doing more damage. I'm using Facade right now. Oh no! No! I am super scared. Cancel. What the heck, dude? I am dead. No! Wobbuffet, go! Counter. Heat Crash is a physical move, right? Yes! Yes! Yeah, boys! We out here! Counter. Yeah, that's the only move with less damage. Ooh. Oh, yes! Is Wobbuffet so good? I did not know that Wobbuffet was so good. My god, this is super good. Till now, it's been awesome. Okay, yeah. When I say that, bad things happen. This guy's bug water, right? What's good against bug? Psychic is. Go, Bronzong! Expanding forces, how much? Expanding force. Liquidation. I'm scared. I'm super scared. I'm gonna do earthquake. Oh no! No! What am I doing? I'm gonna explode because I know that he does a lot of damage and I'm down. Frick. What should I do now? This is what should I do. Yeah, take that, Charizard. I don't like Charizard. Guess why? Oh no. Okay, Dragon Ball. Because he gets too much special treatment by Game Freak. 2 Mega Evolutions. The best at total. The best at total of the Kanto thingies. One Gigantamax form. And yeah. And do you know what Game Freak does to cover that? You know what? If you don't, tell me that in the comments. If you do, hit that like button. You know why? Because he says this. Because he gives a lot of treatment to the Kanto starters as well. Yeah. He does that to cover up. That's super uncool. Do you remember the other Pokemon? Game Freak. You freak of games. Boy. Boy, do you remember? Boy. I'm gonna explode. I have nothing else to do. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah, down. So, bye 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 bye. Dun 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 dun.